B syndrome, diagnostic principles. Number 3, procedure of diagnosis in painful obstruction. The first step in diagnosis is to determine the cause of obstruction and to judge the degree of injury to the antipathogenic factor. As patterns are excessive. Example, there is invasion by pathogenic factors. Pattern of deficiency are generally of less. Secondly, it is necessary to determine the site of the disease, which will be quite evident when the obstruction is in the channel or at the chi or blood level. The site of pain is the site of disease. If the organs are involved, there will be general symptoms and organ differentiation should be followed usually. So let's analyze the diagram. So if there is joint pain, is there a history of invasion by pathogenic factor or is pain related to weather changes? So if the patient said yes, we ask what type of pathogenic factor or we see. If wandering joint pain caused by it is caused by pathogenesis, the pathogenesis is wind. If severe and fixed joint pain with cold sensation, pathogenesis is cold. So if fixed joint pain with heavy sensation, pathogenesis is dampness. If red, swollen, and painful joint, pathogenesis is heat. So if the patient said no, so let's see what type of disorder. If numbness of joint, pathogenesis is phlegm. If joint pain with history of trauma, pathogenesis is stagnation of blood. If dull joint pain with long history, injury of chi and blood. So the pathology is excess pattern, pathogenic factor is obstruction of chi and blood. And the next pattern is deficiency pattern, antipathogenic factor is weak. Pathology, if excess pattern, pathogenic factor is strong obstruction of chi and blood. If deficiency pattern, the antipathogenic factor is weak. So, naintindihan po natin yung antipathogenic factor, ito yung panlaban natin sa ating katawan. So, if pathogenic factor are excess, the symptoms localized in joints. So, if yes, there is painful obstruction, pathogenic factor is in the joint. If mild, there is mild disorder. If no, the painful obstruction, pathogenic factor is in organ. So there is severe disorder. So which type of Sanku disorder? If we see asthma, stifling sensation in the chest, shortness of breath, that is lung painful obstruction. If there is palpitation, anxiety, heavy stiffening sensation in the chest, that is heart painful obstruction. If weakness of the limbs, vomiting, nausea, anorexia, that is still painful obstruction. If the distension in the costal and hypochondriac region, poor sleep and easy to wake up with convulsion, that is liver painful obstruction. If there is muscular weakness, atrophy of the limbs and weakness of the spinal column, that is kidney painful obstruction. Thank you for your listening.